They say in real estate, it's all about location, location, location. And if you're buying in a resort town like Breckenridge, Colorado, that's probably even more important. Here at the Main Street Station Condos, I think you may find you could enjoy the benefits of all 3 locations. But what do I mean, 3 locations? In the winter, you'll love the access to skiing and snowboarding. In the summer, miles and miles of hiking and biking trails right outside your door. And year-round, you're only steps to Breckenridge's iconic Main Street for shopping, dining, nightlife, and historic walking tours. Hey, it's Pete Deininger with the Breck Life Group, and today I'm going to take you on a tour of a beautiful residence at Main Street Station Condos. Before we go see the condo itself, let's take a look at some of the amenities that make owning here at Main Street Station so appealing. Join me. This really is the best of resort-style living at Main Street Station Condos. Whether it's jumping on the shuttle to whisk you around town, or the heated underground parking, the fitness center for when you want a quick workout, or even the front desk staff to welcome your vacation rental guests if you'd like to generate a little rental revenue when you're not here using the property yourself. If you enjoy skiing and snowboarding, not only is Main Street Station Condos steps to the Quicksilver chair at the base of Peak 9, but you've also got ski valet right here in the building. So each morning, come down, grab your gear, you head off to the slopes for a day of play. At the end of the day, come back, drop your gear off, and hey, if you're in need of a ski tune, they'll take care of that for you as well. Now, if you're anything like me, after a day of play on the mountains, you may enjoy relaxing in a hot tub to soak those weary muscles and get ready for tomorrow's adventure. Here at Main Street Station, you'll find not 1, not 2, but 7 outdoor hot tubs, plus this amazing pool with those incredible views. One of the coolest benefits of owning here at Main Street Station is all of this ground floor commercial space, whether it's retail shops, ski shops, dining, and more. And this entire area in the summer, every Sunday is home to the Breckenridge Farmers Market. You'll find the freshest farm-to-table produce that you can take right up to your residence. And speaking of residence, it's time to finally go see that condo. We're here at Residence 1301 at Main Street Station. This condo features 1 bedroom, 1 bathroom, nearly 800 square feet of living space, and it overlooks the corner of Park Ave and Main Street in the heart of downtown Breckenridge. Now, as you can see, this residence features 3 unique features. First, because of its end location in the building, it takes advantage of these vaulted ceilings, so the light really bounces around in here. Second, this is one of the largest 1-bedroom floor plans here at Main Street Station, so there's plenty of room to really move around. And third, unlike most of the floor plans at Main Street Station where the bedroom is immediately adjacent to this living area, the bedroom here is set behind the kitchen. This means plenty of privacy and quiet when you're ready to retire, but others are playing board games or watching TV late into the night. How else might this unique residence benefit you as an owner? Well, if you're thinking of making your condo available as a short-term vacation rental when you're not here using it, you're going to take advantage of great rental revenue both winter and summer tourist seasons. Reach out if you've got questions about how vacation rentals can offset your investment. Well, that wraps up our tour of Main Street Station Condos and Residence 1301. If you've got questions or you'd like to schedule a personal tour of this residence, please reach out, give us a call, send a text, send an email. We're here to help guide you through any questions you have and help you find your perfect mountain property in Summit County.